is up? What's up, guys? It's Monday. How are you guys all doing? How was your guys' weekend? How was your Mother's Day? First and foremost, if you guys got a mama, you guys got a wife, that's a mama. You guys just love a mama or something. How was Mother's Day for everybody, guys? And happy belated Mother's Day to all of you ladies who are mothers who might be watching. Guys, it was fantastic for me. You know what we did, Nick? You know what we did? We went to a Renaissance Festival in the cold. Yes, Tennessee's weather goes up and down. It was like, I don't understand it. Neither does my sinuses. But we went to a Renaissance Festival and we watched people joust and almost get their heads knocked off. It was pretty cool. Pretty cool, man. But sometimes, guys, when the market's not doing what you want it to do, it's okay to walk away and go watch some knights and some, cosplay people in elves and knight costumes and fairies walk around in some crazy forest. Anyway, my name is Tank, guys. I'm accompanied by my partner, Nick, which you just heard. Nick, say what's up. We're going to get into things today, guys. This is the IBC Gang YouTube channel. We talk about everything that's happening within the crypto market, traditional market, specifically what's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem. If you guys like that, if you guys think that could be beneficial to your portfolio, do us a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out, and it doesn't cost you nothing at all, guys. It should just make you feel like a good person. Go ahead, I'll wait. Just be a good person today. Hit that like button, subscribe. It should make you feel better. I know it makes me feel better. You should feel better about yourself. Also, while we're talking about doing things to make ourselves feel better, don't forget, go out there on Twitter and retweet our tweet telling everybody to come watch this video or this live feed, because the more people that see these videos, the more people get exposure to the Cosmos ecosystem. So that will be good for your bags, don't you think? It's a win-win for everybody, guys. Be a nice person. Just go ahead. I'll wait. Go ahead. They can't hear you. Why not? Oh, wait, hold on. There, now listen to Nick's sexy voice. Nick, say what's up.
Ooh.
See, you guys,
yo.
That's all you guys missed out on. He was just over there going, yo, hi, all that crazy shit. All that, ooh, I'm gonna swear. Oh, trying to be so good. I'm trying to be so good. Can you guys tell the coffee got me a little bit? I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited for what's happening in the market. I know a lot of you guys might think you're crazy, Tank. Like, this sucks. This absolutely sucks. My portfolio is getting wrecked. I know what you're talking about. Guys, if you guys have been watching the channel, I've been preaching to you guys for a while now. A while. Yeah, I was preaching this stuff on our Discord even before we started doing doing stuff on YouTube. But I've been preparing you guys. I've been trying to tell you guys to be patient. Don't front run things. Be ready for the dip. And, that's when you make life-changing decisions and money. That's when you change your financial future, is during these bare, horrible, bloody moments in the markets. So I'm super excited because I've been practicing what I'm preaching. I got quite a bit of gunpowder on the side ready to load into my muskets, into my cannons, and fire off at the market. When everybody's running, they're just, they're about to die. I'm gonna be like, whoosh, boom, I'm taking everything from you guys. I'm taking everything. Now, hopefully you guys are excited like me. Hopefully you guys are in the position to be slaughtering some of these fearful people, because you guys know, like I always say, in this game, it's okay to be greedy. It's okay to be the abuser. That's what you should be. You should be the bad guy. Hey, you need bad guys like me. You guys need bad guys like me, okay? That's what we do here. We abuse the relationship between our assets and our capital. We make sure that we are always winning and taking advantage of our assets, making it work for us. Work for us. So please, while everybody else is running, heading for the hills, telling you it's all doom and gloom, telling you guys to sell it all for a loss, think for a second. Think like an abuser. Think like a psychopath out there in the market, guys, because that's what you guys gotta kind of be. You kind of got to be a little bit psycho to risk it for the biscuit. You got to be making moves when other people are just falling off and dying. And that's what I'm ready to do. And that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video, guys. We're going to be talking about, are you fearful or are you happy with this current market right now? I'm obviously super giddy. I'm like a little schoolgirl, guys. We're going to get into it. We're going to get into it. Gosh, I feel so much better. You know what? I just realized how much better I feel. Over the past couple of weeks, guys, I was dying. Look at me now. Look at me now. You ain't gonna get me. You ain't gonna get me. Not until I buy the bottom. I'm buying the bottom. Let's go ahead and jump on into it, guys. We're looking at the tweet that I just put. Actually, let me share this. I know we have the IBC Gang Twitter handle that put out a tweet as well, guys. Let me share this with you guys. You guys can share it with everybody. Let them know. Come check out the channel, because if you guys care about your fellow cosmonauts, that's what you guys should be doing. Telling them to come watch this stream. Nobody else out there is going to be, well, maybe some people, but the vast majority of them are not going to be as real as I am and Nick is. I'm going to be telling you guys the dealio. I'm in the trenches with you guys. I'm spending money with you guys. Ain't nobody in my pocket. Ain't nobody giving me money. So you guys can know everything I say right here on this channel is 100% legit. Self-made man. I can say it myself, suckers. Let's jump into it. We're taking a look at Bitcoin. We're on the daily time frame. Yes, I'm using Market Cipher as my primary oscillator and indicator tool of choice. Let's take a look at the bottom section of the charts. Sorry, I know I'm kind of ranting. I'm hyped up, guys. I'm hyped. Check out these RSIs. Check out these momentum waves. Check out this anchor wave to the bottom. Look at this anchor wave, guys. Wow, boom, bada bing. Now, if I scrunch this together, can you guys look at my accent? Together. You can see here, I'm still, you know what? I'm gonna still put this out here. Could be wrong, but man, if this ain't one heck of a shoulder and a super long necked head, this is like a brontosaurus down here with this anchor wave, right, Nick? Look at that. If that ain't a shoulder and a super brontosaurus neck, dinosaur looking anchor, I don't know what is. Now, this looks kind of wonky and janky right here, but it could just be one of those like weird developing, you know, people that have awkward broad shoulders and like this. You know what this is? This is a shoulder. This is the trap muscle. This is my trap muscles. And then this is my humongous yoke of a neck. That's what that is right here, guys. If you guys don't know, I used to be a bodybuilder / power lifter. That's what it is. Boulder shoulders, traps for days, and strong necks. That's what that looks like right here. It might be wrong. I might be wrong, I should say. And this might not actually play out, but like I've been saying, I think over the next 6 months or the rest of this year, realistically, let me step back, guys. I think once we're done with the summer months, once we're done with the market kind of correcting itself, because we've really corrected based on Jeremy Powell and what the Fed has recently come out and done and said that they were going to do over the next couple of months. If they come out next month, I was talking to Nick about this. If they come out next month and they say, look, we're going to do another 50-point basis point rate hike, and then after this next month they start tapering off and doing 25, even though they've said 50 is on the table for the foreseeable future. I kind of do think, because the market's correcting itself, the traditional market and the crypto market is really risk off and really correcting itself pretty well. I do think that if they can get it down to like a 5 or a 4 on the rates, like I really do think that they're going to try their best. I don't think it realistically can happen, but I do think they're going to try their best to make a soft landing. And so I could see, I'm not willing to risk it for the biscuit just yet, but this is my thesis. This is my thoughts. I could really see another 50, and then the next couple of months after that being 25, and then them seeing, you know, where the market is, where the rates are, where inflation is, if people are trying to front run things anymore. But yeah, don't get ahead of me on that one, guys, because that's just my thoughts. Could be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking. I think in the next 2 months, we might actually, I think honestly, we're getting close to a flooring position right now. And I think that we might see that actually play out over the next 2 to 3 months. That's just my thoughts. But yeah, guys, right now, RSI's pinched together, still pointing downwards. Momentum wave still in the negative here. Negative money flow still on the charts on the daily. We are creating, man, look at that anchor, Nick. Let's go back here. When was the last time? Guys, it has been a long time.
Dear Lord.
Since we've seen an anchor this low on the BTC chart. Check this out, guys. Last time was right back here. Was this? This was March. This was the Black Swan event, when we got all the way down to about 94.44 on that anchor. Other time that happened was during the sell-off in the summer of, or was it the summer? No, we got down here in January. Yeah, the sell off right after the, I don't want to say it's a fake rally or whatever, but that sell off, we got all the way down here to about an 86, and we're almost there, guys. Check it out right there on the charts. You see that down there? That's low, guys. Whenever you get past the 60 line, that's usually on any given day, like if we were in a regular market right now, when you get below the 60 line, that's like a good indicator or place on the chart to start expecting selling pressure to start tapering off or exhausting itself. Guys, look how much further away we are from that right now. The last time we had that, again, back here in the beginning of the year, and then back here twice before. That goes all the way back. What is this? Move out my way. This is September 2019, and then March, of course, like the Corona dump. That's insane. That's insane. And we had it back here, 18, with the big sell-off, people dying, stuff like that. Not literally YouTube. I'm just saying, like, in the market, people jumping ship and stuff like that. But look at this. We rarely ever get below like that 90, high 80s, 90 range. Check at that. Look at that, guys. Look at where we're at. I think honestly, sticking with my thesis, I think, once we get down here, let me move this down here, like realistically to that 90, 92 range, again, which could be in the next 2 months, that's when we're going to find bangers, guys. That's when we're going to find bangers. Nick, what do you think?
I agree with you 100%, bud.
That's what I think, guys. That's what I think, guys. 29K last defense line. What's up, DJ? And by the way, let me say this, guys. I love you guys all the time, every single day. Thank you guys for the supporters that come back each and every day, Monday through Friday, to watch our videos live, guys. You guys make my day. What's up, Med? What's up, Squad? What's up, Crypto? What's up, Serious? I don't know which one. I want to pick. You have 3 names in there. Serious, Crypto, Squad. Like I want to pick one of them, but I can't. My brain's too crazy. What's up, David? What's up, Matt? What's up, B? What's up, Bren? IBC Mafia, BitSource. What's going on, guys? Absolutely love you guys to death. We really do appreciate you guys. We're trying to grow organically, and you guys coming back each and every day, sharing our thoughts and opinions with other people out there on, social media. Just, it's baffling sometimes that people even want to hear what I have to say. But, I do think I'm right a lot of times, so I kind of see where you're coming from. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump on into Market Cipher A real quickly, guys. Let's take a look. Now, I shared my thoughts just recently on social media. Okay, I kind of stuck my neck out here. I don't normally do this. Let me share with you guys what I put out here not too long ago. Now, it was a thread, which I normally don't do, but this is my thread. I'm gonna go ahead and run it by you guys one more time, just in case you guys haven't watched my show before. You guys don't know what we're talking about when Nick and I say these things. Let me run it down one more time. So, on the BTC daily chart right here, excuse me, I got like an itch. I got an itchy itch. It's like I'm growing my beard out and it's like itching my nose or something like that. I want to. So check it out here, guys. This is what I shared with you guys. These are the fib lines. This is the measurement from this open channel right here all the way down to about 1750 or 17.5. I know you guys don't want to hear that, but let me explain it to you guys here. I have used my 200 SMA average. And again, if you guys haven't watched my channel, just keep watching. I'll talk about it. For the start of my DCA plan, this happens to line up almost exactly with the 382 fib. Let me show you guys that one more time. See this line right here? This is a total average move down once the 200 SMA gets broken and doesn't hold up as support. This goes back over the past 10 breaks. So it's not just me pulling out a random number out of my rear end and giving it to you guys. This is like price data from the past of when the 200 SMA doesn't hold up to support. We can expect about 36.45% move down. That gives us an average to about 30,617. That's little white line right here. Look how it lines up perfectly with that 382 fib right there. So that's where we're going to be starting my DCA strategy. Let me go into this tweet again, guys. I took the recent or daily wedge pattern. Again, guys, you see this wedge pattern? And what I did was I measured it from the very top of resistance to the very bottom of support. That's how you measure these patterns. And you can see that's right here, this line. That's how I took my Fibonacci. I can't think right now. I did it in reverse. Why can't I think right now? not Fibonacci extension. What's the opposite again? Nick, I'm going brain dead. Retracement. I'm sorry. Fibonacci retracement. Look at me, guys. Going brain dead here. Trying to explain my crazy thoughts to you guys. So I took my Fibonacci, I'm doing it again. Retracement tool, and I did it in reverse from the bottom of this measurement all the way up to the top of when we broke out of that wedge. That's how I've gotten these fib lines, guys. Yes, there's multiple different ways you can use fibs. You don't have to do it exactly like everybody else. You can be crazy like me and do it your own little way. This has worked really, really well for me in the past, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. These are the fibs starting at the 382 that I'm going to start DCAing into Bitcoin. And yes, realistically, guys, we could come all the way down to 17.5. Realistically, we can do that per the pattern, per these fibs, per everything on the charts. We can realistically do that. Now, do I think that's going to be a strong wick? Yes. I don't think it's going to be price action that's going to stay down there very long. I think if we do have that fear come in, that bloodbath come in, it'll be a quick wick, kind of like we saw right here, all the way down there. But I have limit orders in ready for it to happen. And guys, if you guys didn't catch my explanation of why I think these levels on the charts are where you guys need to watch, go back and check out my tweet. Actually, here we go. I'll share it with you guys right now. Don't do it right now, but do it later, or do it now, or do it later, whichever one you guys want. That's where I'm looking on the charts for Bitcoin, guys. That's where I'm looking on the charts for Bitcoin, guys. So when you guys look at this chart right here, that's where I'm looking at. And then even below that, guys, I'm ready for the banger. I'm ready for the absolute banger down here, guys. Like I said, I have limit orders all the way down. What's up, B? What's up, Blue? What's up, man? Let me show you guys here. This is what I'm talking about with the Fibonacci retracement tool. Just take it. Usually you can just do this down, right? But you can take it from the bottom here, pull it up to where you started. That's where you go. That's where you look at this, by the way, too. I didn't even plan this, guys. Look at this. Downwards resistance line, you know, that's been holding up for a long time up here. See this white line all the way down? Look how it falls right into the golden pocket here. Look at that. Look how it falls right into that golden pocket. Right around 28 to 29. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on the fibs. What's up, Jay? Thanks so much for that super chat, man. I appreciate that. Was it super chat or was that like that sticker thing? Either way, I appreciate it. We appreciate it, man. Thank you. Man. Thank you so much. Any questions at all from you guys about Bitcoin, or should we move on? You guys want to move on? What do you mean never wear sandals? Do you mean flip-flops or sandals? I'm from Hawaii, guys, and I gotta tell you guys right now, y'all are all wrong. They're called slippers. That's what they're called in Hawaii. They have a big aisle in Walmart, literally called slippers. And you know what's in there? What you guys call flip-flops. So I don't know where y'all came up with y'all madness, but you can wear slippers, flip-flops, sandals, whatever you guys want to call them, all the time. All the time. Hold on one second. See what I wore in here? My jiu-jitsu slippers. These are slippers because I slip them on. They're not flip-flops. And they're not... Yeah, anyway, moving on. And we're walking, Nick. And we're walking. Guys, let's take a look at ETH. Check out the fibs. Check out the fibs, guys. Right now, I'm waiting for, again, it magically comes up to that 382 all the time. You guys see that 382? You guys see the 200 SMA that I've been telling you guys, 48.88% down. It's about 1876. The 382 lines up right around 2K. I'm waiting for that magical section on the charts to really start DCAing. Looks good. Nice sandals. You crazy. You crazy. Hold on. I'm going to put on my sandals just because you're pissing me off, Bren. I'm just joking. I love you. I love you. A howley? Yeah, you know all about that, huh? Guys, I'm a hop a howley because my dad's white. My mom's all kinds of stuff. You guys don't know. Guess what I am. I bet you guys don't even know. I bet you guys can't even get it. Go, while I'm talking, you guys guess my nationality. You guys guess my, I guess not nationality, my ethnicity, and you guys have at it. It's more than 2, by the way.
If you guess it right, I'll give you 10 Juno.
Ooh, but you got what? You got to get every one of them right.
Mm-hmm.
Bren's excluded from this, by the way. I don't know.
Yeah, Bren, you're not included.
Did we tell Bren this before?
I don't know.
We'll include Bren. Whatever. I don't think he'll even get it. I don't think he'll get it anyway. But yeah. 10 Juno, guys. Take some guesses. Let the chat know. What do you guys think I am? Other than crazy. Because we already know that. Let's take a look real quick at Market Cipher B real quickly, guys. Look how deep that... Oh, my gosh. That anchor's 82. Man, guys, I'm telling you, when it gets to 90... Ooh, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Nick, I'm not paying attention to what they're writing, so let me know if somebody guesses it.
Yeah. Not even close yet. Well.
No. Look, guys, just because I grew up in Hawaii and was born in Hawaii doesn't make me Hawaiian. It makes me a native, but doesn't make me... Or makes me a local. It doesn't make me Hawaiian. It's like saying just because there's pineapple on a pizza that it's a Hawaiian pizza.
Ooh.
No. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on to our favorite second cousin, Luna. Actually, this is our first cousin. We're just going to keep calling it our first cousin, guys. Check it out. The fibs, guys. The fibs don't lie. We're right underneath, or we're actually right on, if we zoom on, our resistance right here. And yes, I did DCA when it's actually right at 60. Actually, I DCA'd. But that was my first DCA order. Just saying it for transparency's sake, not telling you guys to copy me whatsoever. Look at us right now. We're right on the 0.5. I think there's a good chance that we come down to the 0.382, guys. I always start my DCAing on my fibs at the 0.382. Like, that's just me. If I'm telling you guys, if you guys don't know how to work fibs, if you guys never messed around with the Fibonacci retracement, extension, whatever, there's a bunch of different fib tools. Go out there and just like play around with it, guys. Because I'm telling you, bots trade fibs. They're important. They work. Just figure it out. But I'm going to start DCAing again right here on that 0.382 hard, all the way down. Again, I don't think it'd be crazy for me to think that it's actually going to get down to $36 right here at 59.77 on the 50 SMA. But this is the bear market. So crazier things have happened. Greek Brazilian. Earthian. Massive Earthian. African. Hey, I will say I am a little bit African. I actually am. I did one of those 21andMe's and those what was the other one? The Ancestry one or whatever. I did 2 of them just to be sure. And sure enough, it was like just a little bit African. But I think everybody, like most people, have that in their readings.
Yep.
I always knew it was a little bit black. I always knew it, guys. Well, you guys think I get this crazy charismatic? How do you say it?
Charismatic.
Yes, thank you very much. I can't talk right now, apparently. Yeah. Where do you guys think I get my game from? Anyway, Jewish Filipino part tank. You write about that part tank. Ethiopian. I don't remember exactly. I mean, I just figured it did just say. I think it just said like African. Anyway, moving on, guys. Moving on. I'm sorry. I'm just so like it's Monday. I'm so excited. I feel so much better. The markets are dipping. I've been waiting for this, guys, for so long to take advantage of the market. You guys should be happy for what you guys are going through right now. If you guys aren't happy with what you guys are going through right now, I'm telling you, you need to go change your mindset or be in the market long enough to be numb to your feelings like me. I don't know which one is better. Like, I don't know if the market has numbed me emotionally to where I'm like not fazed by anything anymore, or like if I'm a genius or something like that. It's probably the first one. I'm probably not a genius. But yeah, guys, I'm telling you guys, I'm so happy for what I'm seeing right now. Let's talk about Atom. I've changed a few things right here on the charts, guys. I know that might be getting you guys sick. I'm sorry. I changed a few things on the charts here. Right now, I'm trying to see if we hold up. Honestly, here, actually, let me show you guys before we talk about Market Cipher B down here. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at for Atom right here. It's such a unique thing. It really is such a unique thing right here. So what I'm going to do is take my Fibonacci retracement tool and go from the bottom to where we broke out, guys. And look at that. It's kind of hard to like. It's kind of really, really hard actually. Let me see if I can pull it together for you guys. Boom. Maybe you guys can see that better there. I will be DCAing on these fibs all the way down. Now, if you guys don't think that this could happen, you're crazy. I'm telling you guys right now, you guys are crazy. I know a lot of you guys may have bought the top of this, but this is a realistic fib lines for you guys to be watching out for with Adam. I'm a cosmonaut through and through, but I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to be protected. I want you guys to be pouring capital smartly. Check out these fib lines, guys. Look at how this first one, the 0.236, look at a price action just bounced right off it. Bounced right off it, guys. Look at that. Look how it bounced right off the zero line right here at first, too. This is the zero line right here. You guys can't see that? That's that zero line right there. It came down, bounced right off it for a minute, then broke down, bounced off that again, bounced off that right now, that 0.382. What I always tell you guys, I'm DCAing starting on the 0.382, and I will DCA on all of these fibs all the way down. All the way down. Every one of my DCA positions going down further will reinforce my first or initial positions with more positions. So don't ever forget that. That's a key to the way I DCA, guys. That's key to lowering your entry point on the charts when you're playing the long game. If you're not doing that, if you're just separating, you go 25% of your capital, 25% of your capital, 25% of your capital, 25% of your capital, and then you just spent 100% of it, you don't get very close to really lower. Well, I should say you don't do yourself justice because you're not really DCAing smartly. If you take your capital and figure it out, everybody's a little different. Everybody has different capital, right? And you make sure that every one of your positions lower than your most current one that you just took. Again, if I'm taking it on the 0.382 and then it dips down to the 0.5 and then it dips down into this golden pocket. If I reinforce my positions with more positions, that means if I do catch the flooring position, because nobody knows where the floor is, but if I do catch the flooring position on that third buy, my entry point will be more down here than it would be up here. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm reinforcing it with more positions every single time, lowering my DCA entry point. So again, guys, it's really, really critical when you're DCAing for long-term holds. Now, let me get back into these fib lines, guys. This is, I don't know it all. Some people are way better than I am, but I'm telling you, it's worked for me, and I'm not worried right now, as you guys can tell. I'm not worried right now. Like I don't want to sound like I'm bragging, but there's a difference between people who you can tell are overextended. There's a difference between people who have definitely FOMO'd and who have not practiced proper risk management. It's such a better game to play when you are a student to your own rules and game. Like, formulate a game plan, have a strategy, stick with it. As long as your thesis on that asset hasn't changed, stick with it. So again, guys, my thesis, again, for interoperability and for what Cosmos and the Cosmos ecosystem is doing has not changed. I'm still ultra bullish. I hope you guys are as well. Right now, these fib lines are the most important lines that I'm watching right now, going all the way down. You guys don't want to hear this, but going all the way down to freaking $1, to $1. You know, I have my thoughts about what I think is going to happen over the next 2 months, but I'm prepared for the worst case scenario. And if you don't think that that can happen, this is March. This was not too long. This is 2 freaking years ago. Look at this right here. Can you guys see this? My big fat head's in the way. This is real talk. I don't think anybody else in the Cosmos space actually does this. You know, being 100% transparent and real, talks about charts and does TA and fundamentals like this. So, you know, I'm giving myself a little bit of credit there, but I'm being real, really real. This just happened in March 2 years ago. Two freaking years ago is not that long in this game. It seems long. Well, it's not that long. And it came down to about $1.10. If you don't think that we can't come down there again, you ain't been investing long enough, guys. Hell yeah, it can. Hell yeah, it can. So watch these fib lines right here. Watch these fibs. Have a game plan. I'm DCAing on these fibs. Guys, if it gives me this entry point, which I highly doubt it's going to, but if it does, I'm ready for it, and I will be a big ass well here. Doubt me. Doubt me. Doubt me. I'm just saying, it could absolutely freaking happen. All right. Nobody guessed that, I don't think, right, Nick?
No, yeah, I said after TA, you will announce, and that closes the 10 Juno giveaway.
Yeah.
No one won.
Nobody won. No, but did anybody get anything?
Maybe. I'm not sure. I'll be honest. You listed it off to me one time, and I can't remember all of them.
Yeah, if you guys want to know, okay, because Jay put it out there. I'm not mad at you, Jay, at all. But I have nothing. I'm super secure. I'm safe. I'm on the internet. You could find me if you guys want to and all this other stuff. So the reason why people call me Tank, I put it out there also on social media. One, it was given to me by powerlifters and bodybuilders who are pro bodybuilders and powerlifters. Also, I was born into it because my last name is Tanksley, Tankssley. The first four letters of my name is Tank. Every male in my family has been called Tank since I can remember, and going all the way back since whatever. So that's where I get my nickname from. Yes, my last name is actually Irish. I am part Irish, well, a lot Irish. I am also Filipino, Chinese, Puerto Rican. I'm a mutt. Oh, and black, a little bit black apparently. But yeah. Now you guys know a little bit more about me. You guys want to know what my real name is too, by the way? I don't care. I'll put myself out there. This is stuff that you guys could have found anyway, so it's whatever. You know, you guys can even find where I live. Go ahead, try.
Can we get your social security too? Thanks.
No, you can't. But my real name is Matthew. You know, I'm transparent with you guys. For the people, by the people. You guys want to know who I am? I'll let you guys know who I am. My real name is Matthew. My last name is Tanksley. I live here in Tennessee. Filipino, Chinese, Puerto Rican, Irish, and apparently a little bit African. Business owner on multiple fronts. I own medical companies. My wife's a doctor. I own real estate properties. I have investment properties throughout the United States. I've been investing in other companies like fitness facilities. I know personally some of the biggest names in the fitness industry, including Olympians. I have them on speed dial. I've been doing this for quite a freaking long time. So again, guys, I don't know if very many other YouTubers, especially in the Cosmos ecosystem, that is trying to be as transparent as they possibly can be. And for the people like I am, I'll put it out there for you guys. I'm in the trenches with you. I do this stuff because I want you guys to survive and make life-changing money. I do. I 100% honest to God do. I really do. I support anybody that's out there promoting these IBC protocols, promoting, legitimate projects, not just shilling people's stuff. And really trying to work towards, what the whole thesis and what the whole essence of what cryptocurrency is and what, this technology is going to be doing for us in the future. So that's where I'm coming from. That's who I am. I didn't even mean for that to happen and tell you guys that much about me today. It just kind of happened. But seriously, that's who I am. But yeah, you guys can try if you guys have any ill intent. I'm very well secured on all fronts. So take that with a grain of salt. Take that how you will. I wish you guys the best, though. Let's move on. One thing I want to talk to you guys about is take a look at the CoinGlass, aka Bybit charts here. You can see, let me make sure this is current. You can see a lot right here using this tool, guys. Right now, the long and short ratio per their website is 51%, 51.69% short, 48.31% long on Bitcoin. That's on a 24-hour chart. So more people shorting the market. Even though I'll be honest with you, that's kind of crazy to me, Nick, because we're at 32.6 right now. Guys, I do think there is a really big level of support right around $30,000. And if you guys are shorting support right now, especially psychological and fundamentally and, investment wise, what some of these companies have where they've invested, you guys are crazy in my opinion. Yeah, absolutely. That risk, I would never. The short positions that you should have took when we hit resistance right here and started failing. That's when it was the most profitable to start taking a short. Right now, yes, there is the possibility of more downwards momentum. As you can see, I'm prepared all the way down to $18,000, but not on critical support levels. Like, man, that's just baffling to me. I would have thought that people who are smarter, at least have been in the game a little bit longer, would have been more split 50-50. If we take a look at the short chart here on TradingView, you can see that there are some shorts being raised, since the 7th. Yeah, since the 7th here. and it's up about. Yeah, all wicks matter, right? Let's go to where we are now. 333% more people are taking shorts right now on the charts. But if you take a look at it like this, look at these long positions. Look at these long positions, guys. Look at this. This is on the daily? People are longing right now too, because you know why? We're getting down to a key level of support on the charts. We're getting down to a key level of support on the charts. So, again, this is going back from about the 7th or 9th, not up as much as the shorts. But you know what happens? Guys. If people get overextended with their shorts, especially down with key levels of support, man, that'd be crazy to see a short squeeze out of nowhere, right? I'm not saying that's going to happen, but theoretically, I just don't want you guys, don't overextend, don't front anything, don't try to get in front of the train. You don't want to be somebody else's relief. I'm just saying. Anyway, let's move on, guys. I just want to show you guys that with Bybit, or AKA CoinGlass. I should say CoinGlass, AKA Bybit. Next thing I want to show you guys is, what do you do with fear? You buy it. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but I'm looking at you firmly right now. Our whole job is to buy in the red, sell in the green, right? These are the opportunities. This is the fear and greed index. This is the freaking opportunity. You buy. I don't know why I'm not following that. You buy into, this time is different. You buy into the fear, and then you wait. I'm not telling you do it right now, but I'm telling you, we're at a freaking, this is like one of the lowest we've been in since probably 2018, right?
Yeah.
Probably, if I had to guess. But man, just kind of giving you guys reminders, they're clues that are out there, right? Be patient still. I'm still being patient, but I'm telling you guys, everything doesn't look well. Let me do this. Actually, let me do this for you guys one last time. I know I'm kind of rambling. I'll get into things. I'm sorry, but this is important, right? This is all about the topic of the day. Are you happy or fearful? It has a lot to do with perspective. Investing is all about perspective, right? Let me show you guys the Dow Jones on the weekly. There's a lot of measurements. I do my homework, as you guys can see. I do my homework. There's even wars and everything here that I've shared with you guys before, and measured moves down below. I do this all manually just because I want to make sure I get it right. But guys, if you zoom out, this is going back to 1967, even further back. Hell, let me do that on a monthly, because it's the only way we could really do this, right? Waiting for you, Trading View. All right, monthly. This is monthly, going all the way back to 1896. Is it 19? Whatever it is. This is going back, though. This is going back for a long freaking time. This is 1919, 1920. Guys, we're going all the way back. What is this chart telling you? Here, look. I'll take it all off. What does this chart look like to you? And don't tell me that this is just, printer, this is inflation, this is blah, blah, blah. This is going back through all kinds of nonsense. A market goes up and to the right. Let me show you guys the NASDAQ. 1985. This is a pretty good crash, though. Look at this. The last time we saw something like this, right here, 2000s. Right? This is a pretty good pullback. SPX. This is on the monthly chart, guys. If you have the time, and that's what you should have when you're an investor, buy the dip. Forget about it. Not telling you financial advice, but just showing you guys what's in front of your face. Anyway, let's move on. That's enough preaching about stuff. I don't think you guys need to hear that over and over and over, but I do want to give you guys some perspective about it. Look at some of these levels that I've been sharing with them, Nick. Some of these levels that I've been sharing with them coming true. on the charts, coming true on the charts. I told these guys, yes, I charted out the same 200 SMA strategy. We could come all the way down there for shows. Look how we're almost there with the
so far
Nasdaq.
deep.
For show, it's deep. It's deep, but if you're ready for it, it's going to be the life-changing moment. Your grandkids and your kids will be like, yeah, my dad was crazy. My grandpa was crazy. He bought when everybody else was fearful. Now look at us, suckers. You'll be saying it while you're drinking a mimosa on your boat, being a privileged kid, you know, or they will be a privileged kid. Let's move on, though. Let's move on. 10K portfolio taking a beating. We're almost halfway down. We're almost 50% down, guys. I do this for science and for the IBC gang community, for the Cosmos community, guys. Taking a beating. Everything in the red. Let's not even talk about it. Let's not even talk about it. 2 months. 2 months, guys. If we can get this back up to at least break even, I'll give away $1,000 of this to 10 of you guys. Just saying. Cross your fingers. Cross your toes. Cross your eyes. Wiggle your nose. I don't know how good that's going to be, but there is somebody mowing the grass outside my studio. Can you guys hear that? Can you hear that, Nick? No? Okay. We're going to move on, guys, to some information that's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem. Right now, BitCana telling us to reward loyal Budhead owners. Each Budhead owner will be airdropped 30% of the mint price of BCNA per Budhead on the TBD date, whatever. I can't say that. No cap per address. Whether you've minted or receive a Budhead for free, every owner is available. Guys, I got a Budhead. I was like, where'd I get this? And they just gave it to me. And now, look at me. I'm going to get me one of these. So, shout outs to you guys, BitCana. Got me a Budhead. Going to get me this airdrop. Be on the lookout for that, guys. That's what some of these NFTs look like. Devo, what's up? And a portfolio. You agree with Nick? What are you guys talking about? Nixon taking us off the gold standard? Yeah. There was a lot. Yeah, we can get into that on a different stream. Going into more talk with Raw / Juno and all that stuff, guys. If you guys don't know, there is a vote right now for you guys to vote on for incentives. So make sure that happens. It's going to be happening on Juno Swap. I know there is actually already a pool out there on Osmosis Frontier, but as you guys can see, this is the breakdown for the pools on Juno Swap. Once this gets approved, I would think that it's going to happen fairly quickly. The Juno Raw pool will be one of the incentivized pools. Osmosis Raw, Juno Atom, Juno UST, Juno Osmo, Juno Neta, Juno Luna. All of these will be incentivized. Check it out, guys. You can get this information on their Twitter page, and also when you go and check out the Raw DAO, make sure you guys go vote. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for the Raw incentivized pools to happen. Actually, let's take a look real quickly. Doesn't Cosmos Pug, shout outs to him, they're an actual validator that also provide charting for some of these interesting tokens. Waiting on you. What's the price at right now? 15. It was up at it got up to 23 cents. It was actually, wow, look at that. 24, almost 25 cents at one point. Right now, 15 cents, just shy of 16 cents. Not a bad looking chart, to be honest with you. Throughout all this volatility, not a bad looking chart, to be honest with you, at all. We'll see what happens when those incentivized pools actually go live. Nick, what do you think is going to happen? You think there's going to be a dump like Osmosis had?
I hope so. I'll put it that way. But probably not. I'm going to be honest. I think what I remember hearing is 80% is staked, or some ridiculous number of
there
raw
is a
is staked.
large amount of raw that's currently staked. So, I think I have my wallets connected, so I'm trying to get into not showing you guys. I've done it before, but I don't think it needs to. I don't want to make anybody feel bad or anything like that. I don't know why I'm looking at Crescent. $1.27. Still doing all right. Actually, these charts don't look that bad to me. They really don't. We'll take a look at more charts in just a little bit, guys. I was just kind of goofing off here. So yeah, we're talking about Raw. We're talking about blah blah blah. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is women from Cosmos had a second minting and they sold out lickety split. Did any of you guys get yourself any of these? What are they going for right now?
It was 9,000 stars to mint, and it minted almost instantly.
Holy crap! 9,000 stars. 9,000 stars to mint, guys. This is one of the hottest NFT projects, honestly, on Stargaze, and in the Cosmos space, to be honest with you. Right there with Strange Clans. Shout out to Strange Clans and Passage there and the team that's working on it, guys. But they've been killing it with their mints. Shout outs to women from Cosmos. Hey guys, I know, look, if you're from the Women from Cosmos team, I know I'm not a girl or nothing like that, but you know, I'd love to have me one of these. I can never get me one of these. I'm just saying.
Trying.
I'd be honored to get me one of these. But yeah. Shout outs to them, guys. Doing amazing. They are on Cosmos Spaces a lot. Well, we gotta talk to them. We gotta talk to Tricky them. Down. I know they have. I like what they do on Twitter. I'm a YouTube. I'm a streamer guy. They do a great job on Twitter and stuff like that. I would love to have the guys from Cosmos Spaces actually on the stream. But it is a little different because they can swear and all that stuff on Twitter and not so much here. So it's kind of like, oh, I hope Robo doesn't swear. Like he swears a lot. But anyway, I would love to have them in the team on here. Yeah, guys, check them out. If you guys haven't checked out Cosmos Spaces, check them out. More validators and people doing good work in promoting the Cosmos space. Moving on, and we're walking. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is the drama throughout the weekend. That's all I heard about throughout this weekend, guys, was the drama with Luna and UST and all this stuff. Were you guys sick and tired of listening to that? Or were you guys genuinely concerned about what happened? Rich, you guys can keep the swearing out. Promises. Crossman, like I get so nervous about that. Being honest. YouTube will be out there in a second, but like, what you say? Cancel them right now. Anyway, guys, we're going to talk about this tweet right here. Anchor has witnessed a bank run. It has seen 22% of its deposits withdrawn within 2 days. Guys, this is a little delayed too, by the way, guys. This, little bit delayed reporting. Traditional banks would be solvent in scenarios like this. But we're going to go on. And if you guys don't know, if we take a look at the UST peg right here, it's at $1. The peg is fine. It's absolutely fine. This, yes, it went down just briefly for a second, but the peg is fine. Everything is fine. The bears and the people that really wanted to do harm to the protocol tried their best. But, I'll be honest with you guys, do you know that they didn't even have to sell any, the LFG company, group, foundation, whatever you want to call them, they didn't sell a single one of their reserve assets that back the UST stablecoin to make sure it goes back on the peg. It just happened. It's getting battle tested. I know a lot of people have said that, but it's amazing. That is amazing, guys. This thread also goes in right here by Pedro, showing you guys in detail some of the wallets and some of the actors and how they went about, really trying to, I don't know if they maliciously, it seems like it, attacked the peg, but it goes into pretty good detail here. You guys can check it out for you guys yourself, but you can see Terra UST or Terra Money retweeted Pedro's tweet, and basically excellent analysis yet again by Pedro exploring the recent Anchor Protocol deposit withdrawal flows. 87% of Anchor users either made no moves or added to deposits. I didn't move. I stayed still. I'm in Anchor. I have about $30,000 just sitting in Anchor. It's a small amount. I have several different accounts earning interest in different places. You want to spread out your jelly. You don't want to just put it on one piece of bread. Although I'm telling you though, this is making me feel a lot more comfortable with maybe putting a little bit more in there, guys. It's a pretty good amount. Anyway, a small percent of whales accounted for the bulk outflows. So again, guys, most people didn't do nothing. Like you know, and they're absolutely fine. But if you guys want to know more about it, for the sake of this show, I can't like sit here and just go through every thread. Check out Pedro's tweet, or you can just check out Terra USD or Terra_money right here for all of the information that Pedro posted. Good looks for Terra. Again, I'm super bullish for Luna, for UST. I'm like, it's just battle testing and like battle scars. Chicks dig scars, right? Like, come on. I really do think this is going to be the stable for DeFi going forward. I mean, I know a lot of other places are trying to copy them, but like, you know, imitation is one of the biggest forms of flattery. Like, it's just, come on. Anyway, guys, you can see here, Lev it long, longing everything he says. Have you considered providing incentives to lock UST and earn? Liquid AUST making 15% APY while 21-day lock UST makes 17 or something like that. And then the interesting thing, guys, that would be super. I'd lock it up. I would lock it up to get that extra 2% or whatnot. You know, or I think that'd be super crazy. But look what Doquan said. Look forward to Anchor Forums next week. Bullish, guys. I'm super bullish for this. Nick said, or Brent says he added to Anchor. Yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Suckers. Speaking of the ecosystem, guys, we do want to let you guys know that Luna Launcher, it's with a heavy heart. They have decided to delay the launch IDO by 2 weeks. I don't know if it has something to do with the market downturn, but, you know, if you guys want to look more into it or check out their full statement, check out this tweet from Luna Launcher. We are digging in more and more. Why is it not? I swear Twitter seems to unfollow things. We are digging in more and more in the Terra ecosystem, as well as the secret ecosystem, guys. So be on the lookout for more content involving those. We are still super bullish on Juno. We're super bullish on everything happening with Cosmos and stuff like that. But we are going to be looking on the other side of the fence. I know they're all in the same neighborhood, but hey, man, sometimes it's okay to look over and check out what's happening in that yard. So we're going to be doing that more and more. I would love the grits. I would love lockups. I think that's super bullish. Last thing I want to talk to you guys about before we jump on into the osmosis charts is, guys, not financial advice again, but check this out. Their diff USDC pool right now, their APR is just under 1,000. It's 959. If you guys can catch the absolute bottom and get into one of these pools, that's what I've been talking about all these months. Like, that's the situations you want to be in, right? Whew. Guys, 959 APR, give it to me. Give it to me now. Yes, please, give it to me now. Let's go ahead and talk about what's happening in osmosis with some of these protocols. Nick, before we do that, do we have anything that anybody have asked for the AMA at all? We're going to jump into all that. Nick, you're using the bathroom. You're going pee-pee. Where are you?
I'm reading, brother.
Nick's over here eating while he's working.
No. I said I'm reading. Reading.
That just said he's R. Eating. He's eating. He's still eating. Let's see here. While we're looking for things, though, let's take a look at some of these charts, guys. Osmosis. Give it to me. Still above $3 right now. If we zoom in on the charts right here, checking out previous support it had, previous resistance on the chart when we had that dip and it, started to turn around. Guys, we have the thirding happening for osmosis. Also, if you guys didn't check out what Axelar did with their recent, I think they were on who were they on? They were on a YouTube channel, Token Metrics. They were on Token Metrics, and they were talking about what they're doing over there with Axelar, and they were also talking about their bridge, because Axelar won in the voting for osmosis to be the bridge of choice. They let out some alpha. I'm not going to share it with you. I'm going to let you guys get excited, but I'm going to hit a direction towards you guys. Go check out that Token Metrics video where they're talking to them about some of the things that they're working with osmosis on doing here shortly, guys. The osmosis team is Sunny and everybody are really working on some key things that are going to, I think, again, I'm super bullish on osmosis. I think when that thirding happens and in the next couple of months, again, like I've said in my past streams, leading into maybe middle of Q3, obviously Q4. I really do think that's when things are really going to turn around. And I think right now is obvious, just my humble opinion, is obviously a good place. If you guys miss the bus on Osmosis, this is a good price. Like, this is an absolute steal of a price for Osmosis. The leading DEX in the ecosystem for Cosmos, you can't deny them. It has so much potential. They have such great developers working on what's happening on this platform and for the Osmo token. A third thing's happening here shortly. When we're able to actually start, bringing in assets from other ecosystems, BTC, ETH, and the likes. If you guys don't know XLR, they can even bridge on over from AVAX, from Solana later. Like, they're working on all of those things, guys. But yeah. I mean, I'm just giving you guys subtle hints right now. Not financial advice, but I wouldn't sleep on the potential that Osmosis has here shortly, guys. Let's move on to the next token. Obviously, we've already covered Cosmos. Let's talk about Juno. $9. I was going to say $11 for a second. Oh, $9.24. Under a double-digit token price. Getting there. It's getting to my my levels. If you ever work for me, Osmosis, could you please load?
Whenever you're ready, I got a couple questions for you.
Yeah, I'm ready. Obviously, it doesn't want to load for me. So.
All right. So this is from earlier in the stream. Ben asked, could you zoom in and explain which indicator on Market Cipher is the RSI?
Yep. We have two of them, obviously. We have our Market Cipher B down here. Let me clear this up. So you see these two little squiggly lines right here? Those are your RSIs. Crazy looking. Oh, we're on my shorts, by the way. I was like, why is it so crazy looking right now? Why is everything lagging so much? These are RSIs. I was going to say, that don't look right. Why those RSIs aren't pointing back down? That's not right. But those are your RSIs right here. Relative Strength Index indicators. You have stochastics. I can't speak today. And then your regular. I'm not even trying to say it again because I know I'm going to fumble the word. Stochastic. I can't say it today. I can't say things for some reason today. I don't know why. But yeah, those are your RSIs right there. Guys, we were talking about this in our Discord. I have a lifetime membership. I bought this a while ago for Market Cipher. Shout outs to CryptoFace. I don't care what you guys think about them. This is a great, like Lux Algo, Market Cipher. There's just some programs that have been combined with, you could get all of these things, yes, on TradingView if you have an extended account or a upgraded account and stuff like that for free, but it's going to be all over the place. It's not going to be polished and nicely organized like this, all in one place for you. My humble opinion is it's worth it. Like, it's pretty expensive, I will say that. But there are, again, you get what you pay for though. And then, but there are other programs on TradingView that are similar to Market Cipher. I don't want to give them a shout out because, obviously they just basically stole what CryptoFace have done and provided it for free, but it is what it is, guys. If you guys want to use that, you can use that. I have Marcus of the true Market Cipher link down below if you guys actually want to get that. It is pretty expensive, but I try to share it with you guys on my streams and whatnot. I know Nick likes to use Lux Algo. That's another really great program to use to help you get a better idea of what's happening on the charts. But again, I do want to let you guys know, I consider myself more of a fundamentalist than a technical analysis kind of guy. Yes, I know, and I can play around in that field all day long. But again, like I said in my previous streams, technical analysis or what people are telling you on the charts are just a delayed response of what's happening fundamentally in the markets. In the atmosphere that we're going through right now, geopolitically, and globally or whatnot, with supply chain shortages and all that stuff. So this is just a representation of what's already basically happened, being showed to us in a delayed fashion. So again, look, when you get these things, And, you know, a lot of people put a lot of weight in their technical analysis, which is fine. But again, I've said this before, if they're not giving you fundamental reasons on why they're telling you what they're telling you based on their TA, like that's a scary thing. Like, you know, that then they're just giving you their legit opinion and not actual research or factual, you know, bits of information that they've compiled from doing their homework. So again, it's a nice thing to have. And I do have a link down there below. If you guys want to get Market Cipher, by all means, it would be appreciative. I mean, I don't get nothing for it. Basically, it's just a small reference thing. But, you know, yeah. Anyway, moving on.
All right. Oh, you got another question from Insane in the Blockchain.
Insane in the Brain. Cypress Hill. I love it. I love it, by the way.
Have you claimed the meme airdrop?
I have not. Some airdrops I just don't touch. Nothing against meme. But if your token is called meme, like, I haven't even, maybe I'm wrong. Is it worth it? What are they doing? What is it? Sounds like a meme. Is it a meme? Kind of like some things I just don't touch, you know? Or let other people get cooties first, and then I figure out if it's good cooties and I want it. But I have not. Has it been worth it for you? I don't want to say anything, you know, because I don't want to spread FUD or anything like that, but no, I haven't touched the meme. Is it on these charts? Nope. If it's not on Cosmos Pug's charts, it's not worth it, I don't think. I did claim my Galaxy. What is Mantle at, by the way? Ugh. Ouch. Guys, you know what was
looks like BFOT.
No, I don't even want to look. Do we want to look at? Don't want to look at BFOT. Make everybody feel bad. Fine, let's make everybody feel bad. Ugh. I don't even know if this is the line for the chart or just the grid for the chart. Frick! Dang it! Thank God I got out of that profitable. Thank goodness, guys. Not even a freaking cent. Jeez. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. Get out of town. I don't even want to look at you anymore. You know, but you know what? I will say, no, it was their fault too. Whatever, it was their fault. I don't want to say that. It was their fault. Do you want chart has been looking really good, guys? I put out a tweet. Let's look at Raccoon's chart. This chart, you guys might not think this looks really good. This actually, look at this. If like, look how like these are the times. I think I've said this on other charts as well. Like when they have their sell-offs and stuff like that, guys, and then it just kind of goes straight for a long time. Is that the floor? That's what I mean by this chart looks good, by the way. Like, is that the floor? Because I can get with that. Guys. I like to buy the floor of things. Like, honestly. Hold on. Is Raccoon on here? Yeah, it is. Will you work for me? Oh.
Rounded bottoms pay the bills.
Yep. Don't judge it, guys. Again, please do not judge when things look like this. Like, you got to understand what they're doing. Did you guys know that Raccoon has a like super degen gambling site that you can buy like lottery tickets? That's cool just because I'm a degen and like gambling. But I'm freaking telling you guys, I like it. When things have potential like that, I like it. You guys are probably like, what are you talking about? It looks like a horrible chart. You guys don't understand my way of thinking. Yes. Let's get out of the Frontier app though. Also have Rack. You have a Rack NFT? I do not. I missed that bus. Later, Blue.
We have one more question whenever you're ready.
Yeah. Go for it.
I'm not sure how to say the name, but I'll just ask the question. What's your game plan on Axelar?
I would be buying it. I'm gonna be accumulating it. To be honest with you. I will say this. I don't like their their token structure is not the most appealing thing in the world to me at all. It's what they're trying to develop and how they're trying to go about doing it that I really like, and it's who they're partnering with that I absolutely like. So sometimes some things outweigh others when you're considering investing into things. I've told you guys before, with my investments, I like to first look at, what they're working on. Is it something that I believe in? Is it something that's needed out there in the space? The second thing is, who's working on it? Are they veterans? Are they new? Are they docs? Are they anonymous? Things like that. Third, what's the sentiment with the community on the project? Is it being accepted? Is it not being accepted? And furthermore, to go down that rabbit hole, is it being accepted by other protocols in the space that they could either be teaming up with or competing with? How are they looking at it? What is their opinion about it? And then I like to look at the development, like as far as what their protocols are or what their mechanisms are trying to achieve and how they're trying to achieve it. Axelar, other than the tokenomics, hits every one of my interest points. So I will be, accumulating. I don't want to know. I don't know if it's, I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be accumulating as heavy as some of my other protocols that are out there, but I will be accumulating. Is it Boo's birthday? I didn't even say happy birthday. Oh, I didn't even notice if it was his birthday. Happy late birthday. Much love, much love. You old man. Happy birthday, old man. Getting older every single day. Grit said sticking around pool 679 in Frontier. Hold on one second. Let me take a look at that. I've not, have you dabbled in Frontier very much?
No. Not at all, actually.
This is that split pool. Interesting. A lot of you guys, sometimes you guys got to dig, like Grits is saying right here. Sometimes you got to dig into some of these, how so many people are used to doing 50-50 pools, weighted pools, just two assets. There's other pools out there that are weighted with multiple different assets that you can get into. There are. And some of those, man, I don't know why this is just not working for me today. This is just not working for me today. Frax, USDT, UST. Is it Adam? Will you work for me for once, please? Look at that. Look at all these.
What a pool.
Look, what a pool, guys. What a stable pool. Wait, what is the fees? 0.04. That's the genius right there. Liquidity 7.3 up 64%. Man, now look at that. If you could have, I mean, this is a stable pool, but man, look at that. Look at that pickup there. Man, I'm gonna have to look into that, Grits. That's what I got for today, guys. That's what I got for today. This, hey, things look grim, but when things are grim, that's when you should grin. Get what I'm saying? That's when you should be excited for some of these positions, some of these protocols, some of these things that you've been long-term bullish on. Look at Akash, guys. I put this out there so long ago, the 100 SMA, and it's still just floating on that 100 SMA, guys. Oh my gosh. I might have to get me some more Akash. Look at Secret right now. Secret coming down to that 0.236. I told you guys, look, we could come down there. 72.11 realistically coming into play right here, guys. We could come down to there. That is the 200 SMA strategy yet again proving, I screwed it up, proving, itself on the charts one more time. Atom coming down to that 0.382, guys. If it comes down to the 0.382, just a little bit more, actually. If it comes down to 1410, 1420, securing me another little feeler bag. It's just fly fishing, guys. And then I'm going to be, really considering DCAing. When it comes down to this 0.5, that 1179, and especially this golden pocket. I'm telling you guys right now, 855 to about $10. Bangers. But that's what I got today, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you guys so much for visiting the stream. I promise I'll try my best to stay on point, to kind of bring back my hypeness a little bit, to tone it down a little bit so we can just kind of keep a steady flow. I know I like to rant sometimes, but if you guys are out there and you guys are hurting, hopefully you guys are seeing some of the things that I'm presenting to you guys. Hopefully you guys getting some food for thought. Hopefully this is helping you guys out. Remember, take profits when you can, actively. Don't overextend. Do your homework. Be blessed. Be nice to each other. Peace.